This June. I don't even want to touch it. Okay, we hate this. We hate this. Extreme hate. Come on. What is this? Let me clean this up. John is a beast. This one is right here. It's so black. Don't have to worry about pressing no more because I got the remote. I hate pressing with that. I hate it. I wonder if this remote works on this. No. Okay. Okay. A little darker color. I don't know if y'all can tell. I know y'all can tell. Shit, I can see it through the phone. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, this is like really dark. So I never noticed this right here. I thought the monitor was actually broken, but I just really never noticed it. I guess it's in the top. So these are the same monitor, but this one is OLED and this one is the 180Hz LG ULTRAGEAR. And so far, so good. Looks very good in my opinion. I'm just gonna set these up for now. Okay, cool. I'm gonna see how the game looks. I'm gonna load up Warzone, and I definitely want to see how it looks. Okay, so this is still the old monitor. This is the OLED. So this is how Verdance is looking. I'm gonna change it in the settings. Okay, and then I have to use this remote right quick to go to the settings, because right now it's on reader mode. So, oh my god, vivid, RTS, FPS, not much of a difference, a little darker. Gamer 1, Gamer 2, Gamer 1. I like Gamer 2. So I'm gonna have it on Gamer 2 for now. This is what that OLED is looking like. It looks actually phenomenal. On the phone, I'm on my iPhone 15 Pro. It looks lighter than what it actually is. It's like a tad bit darker in real life, but it looks phenomenal. It looks like 20 times better than just the regular LED one, or whatever this one is. This is the LG Ultra 27. It's literally the same thing. As you can see in the settings, it's the same thing, but just not the OLED and not the, you see LG Plus, and then LG. The quality on this is the same quality I use, just normal. Some low settings. Just get you the max FPS. Like right now, I'm getting like about 240, staying around 240. And this is just right here in Verdance. Nothing much going on. Plunder, not actual Verdance, you know. But it looks phenomenal. Like, the phone is doing it some justice, I'm not gonna lie. But in real life, the phone's not even doing it justice. Like, It's a night and day difference from my old monitor. Very happy I purchased this. The 240 refresh rate is actually insane. I can tell from going from 180 to 240. I doubled it pretty much. It's pretty cool. This is cool. Great purchase. I'm glad I finally was able to get this. But I am loving it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the difference. Let me know if you guys think I should do a video where you have this POV so you can really see, you know, for your own eyes. I kind of want to do that. I would have to get something to like hold my phone or set up my phone. A tripod actually would probably just work. But I want this view like right in front of me. But so far so good. I'm pretty sure these ones are supposed to have the RGBs. I'm pretty sure. I would need to learn how to work that. As you can see the remote right here. I'm not seeing anything. You can turn on the brightness. Oh, I love a remote. I'm not seeing anything in the settings about how to work it. Just got the game adjust. Yeah, let me go through this with you guys. So you got the, let's look at something cool while we do it. Yeah, let's look at something in the background. Game adjust, adaptive sync, black stabilizer, crosshair, FPS counter. It's nothing. You got your brightness, peak brightness. I'm actually not gonna. Let me see what that looks like high. I actually do like it better on a high. I don't really want to change too much of the settings because it looks really good. But yeah, I like where it is. Game of 2, color temp. Warm is pretty good. What was it on medium? I think I'm gonna keep it at medium. Cool is cool. It reminds me of this monitor. I'm gonna keep it at medium. All right. Yeah. So I guess I can't do my RGB. I guess if I don't have RGB on this specific build, and that's fine because I don't really care about that. Like I have the RGB on this, my first monitor, Alienware, and I literally turned it off. Like the only RGB I get out of it is a little button. I get it on the back though, and I turn it off. I don't really find it a point of having it. Oh, maybe I have it. Hexagon lighting. Let's go through the cycling. Ah, there it is. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool feature that no one can see. That looks like a really neon greenish yellow. My light is so bright right here, I can't really see. Let me turn on my light right here. There you go, a little bit better. So that's pretty cool to have. I'm gonna probably turn it off, to be honest. Waste less electricity. But I'm glad I have that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have that just off. Then you can put headphones in. They actually have an optical cable on this monitor as well. I'm going to definitely mess around with that. Smart energy, deep sleep mode, automatic standby, input, compatibility. I don't really know what this is. I'm just gonna keep that where it is. Remote setting, monitor plus TV, buzzer on, OSD lock, total power on time. So this has been on for 17 hours. That's weird. Isn't that weird? Like, why is this monitor been on 17 hours? Hopefully they would just make sure it worked. Input list, yep. Full wide. Yeah, so this monitor looks pretty good. If you're thinking about buying it, I'll definitely purchase. There's no reason to not purchase. Let's get behind this thing. So you got the 2 HDMIs, you got the display port, you got the audio out. You can get audio from the monitor. For DTS, patents, C, patents, da-da-da. You got a couple USBs on the back. Can't really figure that out, but yeah, it looks pretty good, honestly. I'm excited to use this monitor. Let's see what's on the bottom. Like, yeah, this looks so good. Like, I just put my eyes on it, and it's gonna be some getting used to because of how good it looks. So you have a headphone jack right here at the bottom. The headphone jack. Yeah, just bear with me. Headphone jack, power button is the last one. Yeah. And some foam, or some styrofoam, because the damn packaging was so damn terrible. That was an L in my opinion. I just wasted a lot of time cleaning up the monitor. It didn't need to be cleaned, but yeah. So on comparison, it looks really good. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna put it right there on my whatever you call these things. I forgot. Monitor mounts, whatever. And hopefully this monitor fits on this, because if not, like I have it, but I have this stand to that, but it's a pain in the ass. Hopefully I can just set it up like that, and we'll be good. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I'll probably start unboxing all of my electronics, because as you can see, I had a lot to unbox. I should have did it all, post videos, but when I get new equipment, I'll definitely post it on the channel. See you on the next one.